What's the meaning of baking tray? Baking tray. Baking tray.
Baking tray. Baking tray. A baking tray is a flat sheet or pan with raised edges that is used for baking in an oven. It is typically made of metal, such as aluminum or stainless steel, and comes in various sizes to accommodate different recipes. Baking trays are essential tools for home cooks and professional bakers alike, and can be used to make a variety of baked goods, such as cookies, pastries, breads, and roasted vegetables. They are often lined with parchment paper or silicone mats to prevent sticking and make cleanup easier. A good quality baking tray can last for years and is a worthwhile investment for any kitchen.